welcome to Black Friday here at GigaParts Technology Superstore in Huntsville, Alabama. As soon as you walk in, especially if you're here for 3D printing deals, make sure to grab one of the flyers with all the deals. But make sure your first stop is to check out this amazing creation. This here was made from filament and 3D printers bought here at GigaParts. This is Carter. If you're familiar with the Halo video game series, you'll be familiar with him. So, a life-size model created by James Farr, who lives here in North Alabama. He used an A1 and an A1 Mini from Bamboo Lab and filament. I think it's 33 spools of filament to create this. This is amazing. Make this your first stop. Then once you're here in our makers section, if you want to get those printers that I just told you about, the A1 or the A1 Mini, it's part of a fantastic Black Friday deal with Bamboo Lab right now. A1 Mini, you get a free spool of filament. Also with the P1S as well. And double rewards points right now on Bamboo Lab accessories. So when you come in and take advantage of these deals, you will be earning extra rewards points for future use.